Looking to reach more customers and drive more sales? Create digital ads easily with our all-in-one platform, Digital Marketing Starter Kit. Now you can advertise on all major online platforms without any marketing experience. Only 4 steps and you can launch your campaigns within minutes. Step 1. Select your marketing objective. Step 2. Choose where you want your ads to appear. Step 3. Choose the right group of customers to view your ads. Step 4. Create beautiful ad visuals with simple built-in templates. All done! Your campaign is now ready to reach more customers and drive more sales. Plus, you can also drive more customers to physical stores with digital vouchers and re-engage them with SMS and email marketing. There's more! Get free trainings on e-commerce and digital marketing to run your campaigns more effectively. Promote and grow your business from just 4 ringgit per day. Stay competitive in the new norm. Digitalize your business today. Save up to 5,000 ringgit with SME Digitalisation Grant. Speak to us to find out more.